lie to y'all, I do feel a lot better. Now, I do want to go to Starbucks this morning and get me another one. Good Sunday morning, y'all. It is cold out here. It says it's 40, but of course it's cold. Probably should have put on a bigger jacket. But I feel a lot better today as I wake up, and of course, thank God for another day. I took some NyQuil last night, was easily able to go back to sleep even after a nap yesterday. I think the thing that gets me is like, why around Christmas time? Like it's almost like the sickness knows that nobody's ready for Christmas. You know, like I haven't been anywhere to finish any shopping or, you know, do any of that necessary stuff, which, you know, it is what it is. It's called gift cards for my kids from this moment. But I'm heading to Starbucks to get another medicine ball. This time I'm going up a size because that one was really good. So they do a venti, but if you get a venti, you're gonna have to make sure that your order comes out like this, because it did create new customized things as I was putting in the order for that. So I'm heading up to get that today, y'all. I don't have to worry about doing no hair. I don't have to worry about whatever. I just have to put laundry away and go from there. And I can just chill and relax all day. I do have sandwich bread that they can make sandwiches with. I also have shark fish sticks nuggets. And then I'll kind of just like reevaluate tomorrow. That way I didn't have to go to the grocery store. And I can also put the order in today to pick up tomorrow for the week for groceries. That's it, that's all.
I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white
Yes, that's
flag. Yeah.
So I decided to stop and get me an egg and cheese biscuit and some bow round, something, you know, something good. But anyways. All right, so at first they said that my order didn't go through, but then when I got up here just now, they were like, oh yeah, it's in. So all I'm getting is a free cheese Danish with my 115 points. I got the medicine ball and a venti today. And you know what? Surprisingly, the peppermint shots of syrup are free. All right, y'all, so I got my venti medicine ball, literally. Venti, honey citrus, mint tea. You're also gonna make sure it comes with the lemonade juice, and then you need 5 pumps of peppermint syrup if you're getting the venti. I would say 2 or 3 if you're getting the grande, and then 1 if you're just doing like a tall. So Charles got the grande peppermint white mocha, which, you know, could be really good. And he got an egg and cheddar protein box. So Scott had already ate some Rice Krispie treats, so we're just going with that. And if y'all don't get up the road or turn the light on, yeah, now turn that ass around. Leave me alone. All right, y'all, so I am currently heading to CVS to get Cam's medicine because I was supposed to pick it up Tuesday, but I mean, he's been doing just fine without it. So he's actually been off of meds for like a good week. And then I also need to run in and pick up some ketchup because can't make, you know, no fish sticks or, you know, eat anything with like chicken or nothing if I ain't gonna darn ketchup. Whatever. So, I do plan on making some white chicken chili. The white chicken chili is for myself so that I have like a little kick to, you know, like helping with my throat. My nose is like dry, so it's like cracking on both sides. I just been putting Aquaphor on it and Vaseline. Other than that, yeah, literally other than that, everything else is fine. I feel myself. I feel good. I even got up and made cookies, and that's how y'all know I haven't made cookies like all week. So that tells you a whole lot right there. Like I said, I'm actually heading into CVS right now. And then for dinner, I was like, you know what? I'm not cooking nothing because it's already 5:45. I am watching my girl Slay the Fab's Way on YouTube. Y'all, if y'all haven't checked her out, go check her out. I love watching her lives because when y'all, you know, have dealt with your family all day, your kids, your husband, and you know, you just need some downtime, you need like, you know, adult time, it's the place to go on Sundays. It's the place to go, you know, when she goes live on Fridays too for game night. So if you ever want to play a game, come on over. I got a game I can go live and do, but I got a feeling like, you know, because my kids are around, I can't really do it the way I want to. But I do have a new game that clearly can include the kids and, you know, my audience. But anyways, let me go and do what I got to do so I can get back to this live as she's doing a try on for her vacation on the cruise. All right, y'all, I'm done with CVS. All right, so let me just show y'all. God is good. God is good, because when I went in there, I was like, oh crap, they ain't got no ketchup. I leaned down and seen that they had ketchup. Now, their ketchup in there was like $4.99 just for the Heinz. Ridiculous, because I clearly could go in like Kroger or Food Line and get, you know, ketchup for $1 and some cent. It doesn't have to be Heinz, right? That's not my thing. My thing is not brands. You know, it depends on like certain things, yes, brands, but not ketchup. You just want the ketchup. So I went up to the counter, got Cam's medicine. I had a $4 off purchase. Well, baby, I used it. $4 off that bottle of ketchup and only had to pay 49 cents. Clearly, I had 50 cents in my wallet and was happy to give her that 50 cents just to get that ketchup. And I won't have to worry about, you know, buying ketchup from the grocery store when I do in the next couple of days. So I'm pulling up at Marco's now. Okay, so let me just go ahead and say that Vlogmas is over, but the content won't stop. It's been a lazy Sunday. I haven't had to do hair. I haven't had to cook dinner. It's been a real quick and easy one. So I was gonna get some rest tomorrow and sleep in, but I volunteered to take him. So I am gonna go to Starbucks in the morning and get me another medicine ball. Even though I feel about 90% better, my legs and my nose is just dry. I'm finally getting back to myself and getting the rest that I need. So I'll catch up with y'all in the morning. All right, so now that I am done with The Housemaid and we get to go see the movie on the 23rd, I am going to start reading One Day in December by Josie Silver. And this book is about love at first sight. But then you never know, you know, things take a turn.